Namaste! Welcome to Sun Salutation A, Surya Namaskar A. You can use this as a warm-up or as a standalone practice. If you have props like yoga blocks, go ahead and grab those. And if you don't have those, don't worry about it. Meet me at the top of your yoga mat, stand up tall, press your palms firmly together in front of your heart. Take a big belly breath in through your nose, circle your arms down, around and up. Big belly breath out, soften your knees, and fold forward from your hip creases. Inhale, lengthen your spine, place your hands on your blocks, shins or thighs as you come up halfway. Exhale to lower down, standing forward bend. Inhale, step your right foot out to the back, low lunge. Exhale, step your left foot out to the back to meet your right, downward facing dog. Inhale, come into a full plank or a half plank by dropping your knees down. As you exhale, lower your whole body all the way down, pinch your elbows together, press the tops of your feet and pubic bone firmly into the ground. Inhale, peel your chest and chin up, cobra pose. Exhale, lower your forehead down. Inhale, curl your toes under, push yourself up and back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward and step your right foot in between your hands. Exhale, step your left foot forward to meet your right into a standing forward bend. As you breathe in, lengthen your spine, come up halfway, hands on your blocks, shins or thighs. Exhale, fold forward, relax your neck. Inhale, come up all the way, bring your arms up. Exhale, unite your palms in front of your heart. That was the right side. Let's do the left side. Deep breath in, sweep your arms down, around and up. Deep breath out, fold forward from your hips, soften your knees. Inhale, lengthen your spine, come up halfway. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, step your left foot to the back, low lunge. Exhale, step your right foot back, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Ripple your body forward into a plank pose, full plank or half plank, yogi's choice. Exhale, lower yourself all the way down. Press the tops of your feet and pubic bone firmly into the ground. Inhale, peel your chest and chin up, cobra pose, squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other, open your chest. Exhale, lower your forehead down. Inhale, curl your toes under, bend your knees, push yourself up and back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward and step your left foot forward in between your hands, low lunge. Exhale, step your right foot forward, standing forward bend. Breathe in, lengthen your spine, come up halfway. Breathe out, lower down, standing forward bend. Inhale, come up all the way, sweep your arms down, around and up, and exhale, unite your palms in front of your heart. Great work, yogi! Thank you so much for practicing with me. Sign up now for your free Blissful Morning Guide by clicking the first link below this video. Just enter your first name and email and I'll instantly send it to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for new free yoga and meditation videos every Tuesday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, and let me know in the comments what your favorite part was. And I look forward to seeing you soon again.